Welcome back to 50 Car. The 2025 Cadillac Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a rolling palace, designed for those who refuse to compromise on luxury, comfort, or performance. Cadillac has redefined the motorhome segment by blending high-end automotive craftsmanship with the essence of a five-star suite on wheels. Exterior design, a statement of prestige. The front grille, an unmistakable Cadillac signature, gleams with an illuminated crest, flanked by futuristic LED headlamps that stretch into the sculpted hood. The sleek body contours exude aerodynamics, while chrome accents highlight the vehicle's grandeur. The extended chassis ensures stability, while the rear features vertical taillights reminiscent of classic Cadillac sedans. Pros: striking presence, excellent aerodynamics. Cons: bulky size may challenge maneuverability. Interior and dashboard, first-class comfort. Step inside and the 2025 Cadillac Motorhome greets you with a fusion of leather, wood, and ambient lighting. The dashboard is an epitome of modern technology. A panoramic OLED display integrates navigation, entertainment, and real-time vehicle diagnostics. Swivel captain's chairs, a premium surround sound system, and an expansive lounge area redefine road trip luxury. Pros: ultra-luxurious materials, cutting-edge infotainment. Cons: the high-tech features may be overwhelming for traditional RV users. Performance: a beast beneath the elegance. Powered by a twin-turbo V8 with hybrid assistance, the motorhome delivers seamless acceleration despite its weight. It cruises effortlessly at highway speeds, with adaptive air suspension ensuring a plush ride. Pros: strong powertrain, smooth handling. Cons: fuel consumption remains high despite hybrid support. Market positioning and competitors. Priced above $250,000, it caters to high-net-worth travelers seeking exclusivity. Competing with Prevost and Newmar, the Cadillac Motorhome offers unmatched prestige, but at a premium. Additional features and final verdict. Solar panels, a smart kitchen, an AI-powered climate system, and optional bulletproof glass. This is Cadillac's vision of travel redefined. A luxurious home on wheels, but only for those who can handle its grandeur.